Hello everybody, this is a French typewriter, the MEP Model 3, should be around 1922. It has a wonderful inscription here in gold. It's one of the better I ever seen. The explanation on what does it means, it's here in the back. Paris Arms Manufactory. So it comes from Paris, like the Tour Eiffel, the Moulin Rouge, the Baguette. The company was founded during First World War by exiled executive of the Fabrique Nationale FN, the Belgian National Arms Factory, of which MEP was the French associate organization to sustain the French war effort. It's written here, can you read? Built by the Manufacture d'Armes de Paris, French associate of the National Factory of Herstal. Herstal is a city in Belgium. After the war they converted the production mainly in typewriters. They were helped by the inventor Alcom Ellis from USA, who already invented an adding machine and who moved in France. Here I am happy because usually it's the contrary. It's the typewriter factory to be converted in an army factory. Maybe here he showed the way to world peace to convert the army factories in typewriter factories. MEP was supported also by very big French industrialists, but in 1950s they closed the factory. The layout of the keyboard is French, so there are the accented letters, the tabulator, backspace. The shift block for majuscules is on the right instead of the left. There is this button, you can use it if you are disappointed of something. With this lever you reverse the direction of the ribbon. The ribbon is very worn, it seems hasn't been changed for a century. It might be it's like this. Also the ribbon covers seem to be the original. And this is the color selector for the ribbon, red, black, and no ribbon for stencils. In the back there are the tabulation stops, the margins. You move it with this lever. Also the little bell of the margin. This is the interline selector. With this lever you can adjust the paper sheet. This lever is a ratchet release. You can use it to write between lines, then returning to the standard line. You see? Here there is a serial number. I think it was a good typewriter. It's not portable, but it's not so big like the other standard typewriters. And it has almost of all the features a standard typewriter should have. Napoleon would be proud of this typewriter.